coming down the hill on this side of Swan Reach.
The Adelaide side.
Adelaide side. There's a lot of water down there. Holy shit, look at that up here. Oh my god. Freaking Nora.
It's only floating here now.
How high is it?
Oh, they can't come this way.
Well,
There's that.
hey. This is as far as we can go for some reason. You want to walk or?
I don't know, would you be allowed to?
Oh, this is road closed. No law says you can't walk down. We'll see you when you get down here. Okay, people, got the car parked there. We come down around down the hill here to the road sign here, and it's all closed off. And believe it or not, there's water just on the side of here. So I can't really believe this. Yeah. It's up so high. We'll walk around the road.
Is that a wombat hole?
Yeah. There's a wombat hole. Hopefully he doesn't get flooded out. The water's down here and it's just up there. A lot of dragonflies around here. So many of them. It's so much water. It's crazy. I thought we'd get a bit closer. Believe it or not, there's little fish in there. I think it's those little guppy things. We'll go around the corner and yeah. I don't know if you guys can see the dragonflies, and there's a lot of them. The water's coming around here now. Wow. I don't think I can get down too far actually. I was going to take this dirt road down here that goes to Blanchetown, but we can't even get in here. So much. I've never seen this before. Once in a lifetime, I think. It's going to take a video of these houses. It's around here, but I can't even get there. It's crazy. Wow, wow, wow. I can't believe this. I thought there was a fish down there, but there's a stick. Wow. guys, this is the Blanchetown turn off. 26 k's down there. You can't even get down there. It's mind blowing. It's crazy. I don't know if you can see that little tadpole down there. He's a long way from home. Unreal. I can't even see the houses from here. Aye? Yeah, I think they pulled that down.
Wow.
It's hard to believe. I've seen a tadpole down here, eh?
Is it?
Yeah. Well, I wasn't going to do this because Blanchetown's 28 k's down there, I think it was.
Yeah.
28 k's down this road. You go down there and then up there. And I was going to go to Blanchetown and double back to Swan Reach.
You don't worry about it.
But I think I will. I want to go see the main street. It's going to be a virtually a 90-kilometre trip there and back again. But I want to see the main street of Swan Reach, so we'll head around there. I just can't believe this. It's crazy. Right, people, we go to...
Over there where the house was? Is somewhere?
It's over there. No, over there somewhere. But we'll stop on the lookout. We'll have a look up there, and yeah, we definitely have to go in there. I wasn't going to, but...
Even that thing's gone. The place where they used to have the bins and everything.
Yeah.
The pontoon thing.
Because those tanks there, I think they're about 10 foot high. Yeah, I wasn't going to go to Swan Reach, but now I have to. It's once a lifetime to see this, and it wasn't this high last time because I think the roadblock was down here more, but yeah. Look how fast it's flying here. We're going to make a move. It's 10 to 6, and by the time we get around there, it'll probably take us an hour to get there. It's only, 2 minutes down there. It's going to take us about an hour to get around here. Okay, people, we'll see you on the other side of Swan Reach. Then we'll stop on the way back to Blanchetown if it's not too dark. Hopefully it won't be, but yeah. Catch you then. We're at Swan Reach. Look at the water. And they brought the signs up further.
Well, it's not that much difference, Deb.
Oh yes it is.
No, it's not.
We'll just park here and we'll go down, peoples. Down here in front of the little kiosk. last Saturday. I walked down there. There's about, I know, a foot of space. Wow. We'll go around the other side after. Go around here. Heaps of water. I walked along where that boat was last Saturday. Heaps and heaps. Looks like they marked the road. So it's still coming up. That white line's in the water. On Saturday, I walked down there. Amazing. We'll go down that way now. See him when we get down there. Up here on the caravan park end. And that's the office over there in the caravan park. Last Saturday, I walked down through here, and that's about as far as I can go. Last Saturday the water was down there, just on the Stobie pole it was, just touching the Stobie pole, and that's probably about, I don't know, 3 feet deep there, maybe 2 feet. But the current is so strong, it's unreal. Look at those poor houses over there. It's yeah, quite amazing. Just come over here. It's going then into their front yard now. You gotta feel sorry for them. The house over there, somewhere right there. I don't know how, you know, I have to be 5-6 foot deep, I reckon, in Main Street there. I think 5 foot, 4 foot or something. I don't know. Well, that fence is probably 3 foot. Yeah, it's about a foot from the top there, so yeah. We will go up to the lookout and we'll check out these houses over there. These 2 red houses. I think one of them's in, or two, they're both in now, but yeah. See when we get there. Ducklings running down the footpath here. Unreal. I seen them coming down the hill up there. They're coming down for a drink. Okay, look out, here we come. Okay, we're up here on the lookout. It is amazing, eh? That poor house over there, it's, and that one over there. Won't be far long before that gets up. Sorry about the wind. It's pretty windy. Yeah. Start off the video, Mill's over there. It's just one, and little water way down the back there. I'll have to get a Sony out and zoom in and take a few photos or whatever video and put that on as well. Okay, see you next spot, it'll be Blanchetown. The Blanchetown lookout. And there's poor shacks down there. It's come up a fair bit since last Saturday. Most of them nearly up to the second deck. There's I don't know, down there, somewhere down there, I never see it. There's a rainwater tank by the looks of things. Just beyond it, there's something floating down there. They used to, yeah, it's just and it's looking down. Just flown so fast. I have no idea what that is down there. I don't know, bit of wood or something. Okay, we'll go down further. Way down there it goes. Okay, see you in the next spot. This little old house. And she has come up a fair way. Yeah. There's that boat that I've taken a photo of, the old boat. And for those ones that seen the other video, this guardrail, I think it was about the same distance as this here. That's how far I was out of the water down there. And now it's probably maybe a foot over it. No, mate, yeah, a foot over it. It's amazing. Because over there, it was just down here where I was filming those little fish. Well, I think they're building their road up, making it a bit higher. They was doing it last weekend, I think it was. Yeah, they're making a higher bank. No access to river. The boat's just down here, what's left of it. Okay, we'll go on the other side and See what it's like over there. There's one more over little bridge over here and want to check out, and then we'll go check it out.
Okay, this is where the people that were flooded out have come to stay at the cemetery.
Well, this is the other little spot where the people was walking on the bridge over there, and that's probably maybe 2 feet deep on the bridge now.
There was nothing on the bridge.
It was under the bridge there. Now it's probably 2 feet deep.
Can't even see that.
Sorry about the sun. That's where the fridge and rainwater tank was, just over there. Yeah, that's all gone. The shacks are still upside down, floating down. Oh? Yeah, down in the Blanche nest. Yeah, so yeah. It's probably 6-8 inches under that guardrail now. 2 feet on the bridge.
That fridge and rainwater tank's gone,
Yeah. We was just standing down here. So I think there was only about 2 inches of water coming through. Okay, see you in the next spot. Now. And it's surprising how much it's come up. It's that little office down there, and they got all that sandbag. It's up here on the lawn now. I think last Saturday was just down below that fence line. I think, I can't remember. But yeah, coming up pretty good. The current now then, I don't know how the birds is, those shags out there diving down. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's quite a few of them. It's just one big river now. Just, yeah. Way over yonder. The shags down there and a pelican. They must be diving for fish. Have to be. I will go down towards the bridge now and yeah. See what it's like down there. All the years I've been coming up here, down along this road to go down under the bridge, and my wife says, look at that building here. Have a look at this, an old, I don't know what it is. Oh, the water's in there. I best not get over there. It's amazing. Didn't even know it was there. When the river goes down, I'm going to come down and have a goosey. Don't know if it was a house or what it was, don't know. Interesting. I will go down here now. Tell you what, it's come up a lot. It comes all the way down here. Don't know what it is. Oh, some old steps here as well. Got a car behind us. They reckon the peak's on next week sometime, I think they said. I think last Saturday. I think it was down there by those trees there, I reckon. Ooh, these ones here. There's those white side post things, reflectors down there. And I'm probably halfway in, so yeah. Unreal.
The boat's still there? Oh yeah.
It's last Saturday that car was down there, hey? I better not get too close to it. No, it's gone now. Unless it's floated down the river.
Okay.
Unless it's floated down the river.
No, I don't think so.
Now we'll go up a bit further. From the little kiosk there. And last Saturday. There's the road down here. And walked along. I can't believe that shack over there. I think it's going to get hit, I think. I think it's about another 2 feet before it hits, 2.5 feet. This is where those girls was in the kayak last Saturday. And I walked along the road here. And yeah, there was a rock out there. You can just see the top of it there. Just about there. The river was once, I don't know, 250 metres wide. Now it's probably 1 kilometre wide. I can't believe how quick it's coming up. It's unreal. I think someone's lost a, whatever it is, little pedal board, whatever. I have no idea. Just got a couple more spots to try and have a look, and yeah, we'll try to get there, and I'll just take a photo of this shack over here, and not much to go. I wonder if they cleared all their stuff out. Dunno. See you on the next one. Yeah. Can't get around there, so I can't go. Oh, this is where I seen that, those carp. A couple of videos before. I think it was just down here somewhere, or over there. Changes so much with the high water. That shed or whatever it is. Not long. Floating rainwater tank under this poor place. You gotta feel sorry for him. Hope it doesn't go much higher for him, but yeah. I can't, there's water as far as I can see, right over in the trees there, and beyond the trees there. Oh, we got one more spot, I think, when we get there. You can see it there. It's a police. Maybe they're looking for people on the boats, because now you can't go out on boats against the law. I think it's a $10,000 fine now, and yeah. scared the birds. Walk up this hill now. It's getting a little bit dark. I want to get back out of Blanchetown on the other side of the road. There's going to be too many kangaroos, I think. I have to take it easy on the way home. See on the next spot, one more spot to do. Down the road, there's a couple kangaroos. Mama and a baby by the fence there.
Just don't leave them alone, they want to have something to eat.
Oh, we'll leave them there. Well, that's it, people. We're going to head back. It's going to be too dark. There's going to be too many kangaroos around already. Seen a few already, so. And these ones are in the township. Just there. Might be a little bit dark for you.
Can't do it. Skippy.
Oh, the steel, I think. Little baby, eh?
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it very well.
Oh, that's it.
Alright, bye.